want to share with you my big, beautiful idea. Imagine a world where people feel safe not to have to wear a mask. They can express what they really think and feel. A world where people feel safe to be their authentic selves.
If you could suggest one thing that organisations could do so that people feel safe to be their authentic selves, what would it be?
It's a good question. It's clarity in what they're doing and free expression of who I am as an individual.
To become a kind or a kinder organisation. I think that's a great place to start.
That we have to really appreciate our differences more than our conformity.
Just one thing, never judge anyone for anything they say ever. And imagine what it might be like to need to say those words yourself.
Like that reminder that it's not that deep.
That's a great one.